Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS padding top shorthand property. In our previous tutorial we have been discussing about a lot using our CSS padding top left and bottom property. But right now we are going to be using the shorthand property. Now let's just comment out this one. When we comment out this one quickly, let's quickly specify the padding using our shorthand CSS padding shorthand property. When you specify this shorthand property, let's give this one 100 pixels, the second one 24 pixels, give this one 100 pixels, the third one 24 pixels. Give all this. Let's save our document and see what we got in our document. Now we are going to reload. Let's reload. Can you see nothing happens to our document? Let's say for instance now we don't have this now. Let delete this one. Let's comment it out. Let's reload. Can you see we don't have any padding again because we have commented out this one and the second one also? But now we are going to use this one, which is the shorthand property. Let's reload. Can you see it? Now we are having our padding. Now for you to confirm the top padding, definitely the first one is the one that is controlling the top padding. When I specify 500 pixels right here, can you see the padding at the top is the 500 pixels. Now when I bring it back to the 100 pixels, you are going to see that it's going to be the one that is controlling it. Can you see when I bring this one to 300 pixels, you are going to see is the one that is controlling it. Can you see? That's how you can know the one that is controlling the top padding. As you can see, this first one is the one that is controlling our top padding. In our next tutorial, we are going to explore it more better than this. And what akorede and ayofe is many once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.